If my name is Deboe and this is my studio, does that make it Deboe Studio? What? Hi you guys, so I decided to do a 20-minute get ready with me at wig, hair, outfit, everything in 20 minutes because nobody has time to be faffing around. And when you're actually in a rush, you know, when you get that ring on the hands free and then they're actually just telling you I'm outside, woo baby. Baby. So that's what I decided to do today. I hope you guys like it. It is just a nice cute beat, my governor's wife's curls, and that's just it. My outfit is actually a little dirty and I'm really upset about it, but that's not important. If you like this video, please make sure to share, subscribe with all your mates. I love you all so much and I hope you enjoy the video. Yeah, this hair is a cutie. Do you get? Grab it. Love you all. Mwah. Bye. Hi you guys, so as you can see, I've literally just turned on the 20-minute timer. So I had to do a voiceover because if I tried to actually do this and do my makeup at the same time, it would have been quite tragic. So yeah, I just turned on the timer for 20 minutes. I literally was able to like get my hair, I was able to get my full face done and put on my outfit and be ready to go. I was literally on my way out. My friend was calling me. She said, Deborah, where are you? I said, honey, I'm in my house. So yeah, I was literally going to meet my friend. Like, it was just all so fast. I'm going to try and like not edit this video as much because I just wanted to show you the actual process. In the beginning, I'm going very slow. I'm thinking I have time. I'm wetting soap. I'm just thinking that everything is fine. You will see very soon that it all gets a bit long. It gets a bit long and I start moving mad because I'm just like, where is the time? The time has actually flown by. My friend said be ready in 10 minutes. I only had on foundation at that point. I think you'll even see me where I actually just get a bit frantic. You know, that kind of Patrick thing where you just get a bit frantic. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna try and not edit this as much because, you know, you guys need to see the 20 minutes, but I'm going to, like, if any time is cut out, I will lapse it so you guys can actually see that, you know, I did not cheat. I made sure that this was 20 minutes. But yeah, I'll probably like dip in and out of when I want to talk and when I don't want to talk. But yeah, this is my 20-minute get ready with me. A lot of people, like, I've mentioned it quite a few times on my Instagram that I get ready in 20 minutes, like when I have somewhere to be. But you know, y'all don't want to believe me, but that's okay. That's okay. I forgive y'all, but that's okay. Whatever. Oh, today I actually tried the Fenty Beauty foundation with the new e.l.f. concealer and I really liked it. Like, my foundation routine that day was just not even like, it just wasn't cute. Like, I didn't like how my makeup looked. Like, I just felt like I knew that I just didn't, it was just rushed. Like, everything was just a bit rushed. But we moved anyways. I just shined to look like a babe the best I can. And that's just that on that. I even had time to put corrector over my mouth. Listen, who did I think I was? Where did I think I was going? Where did I think I was going? I absolutely played myself. But yeah, I'm literally like putting on my foundation here. My phone is always on do not disturb, but I think by the time that I got the text message, my mate was like, listen, how long are you gonna be? I said, yeah, 10 minutes. Say no more. Rushing. Thank God my cab even came late, so I had time to take down my curls and actually close out this video. But yeah, this is what a genuine like 20 minutes looks like. You can actually see me like up and down, like literally concealer any which way. I found my fattest brush and I blended as best as I could in the time given. Like, it's only God that I actually turned out the way that I did. Like, literally, I'm literally texting my friend. I think I said 10 minutes. She's like, yeah, 10 minutes, cool. Like, brother. Look, I put too much concealer on my forehead. I'm still understanding this concealer. Like, I don't understand it because I feel like it's so liquidy, like unlike the other one. Like, it spreads so far. Like, I just put on so much. I did not need this much whatsoever. And I wish I had put less on. It would have been better for me because I had so much to blend out and it still didn't look blended at the end, in my opinion. Top tip technique for like when you're in a rush and you need to blend in fast. Take your put on all the concealers, everything. Take your foundation and blend everything in. Take your foundation brush and blend everything in. Like, it is the easiest way to blend everything in. Like, I love it so much. You lot can see my Chandler in the back. Like, I'm literally just listening to Young Maverick music because I need the Holy Ghost when I'm in a rush. Honey, like, I physically can't breathe. But yeah, I'm literally just blending. Like, you lot are just seeing my whole background. Like, everything is just a mess. I'm not even, I think I could even find my powder at that point. Like, I was actually just stressed out. Just put the powder any which way, but you still have to dab off the excess on your hand. That is a given. Sorry, I still did that. This reminds me of the times when my sister would tell me, "Right, I have a motive. Are you ready? Are you down? Can you get ready in 20 minutes?" And I'd actually get ready in 20 minutes, full beat, everything, eyelash on, everything, lip gloss on, like, because I want to be a babe and I still want to go and enjoy myself, so I have to compromise. And that's just that. I hadn't even blended out my chin contour, my chin highlight. You can see it. Look at it. It looks horrid. Don't actually do your lip like that. You look horrid. And I went out like this. That's the funniest part of this whole thing. I did not blend that chin highlight. Like, I did not blend it. God. God, help me. Help me. I'm literally just putting on powder any which way. The forehead highlight is not blended in. Everything is just looking mad. Did I even put makeup on my neck? No. I'm just literally trying to multitask. Put the brush and the powder inside the bag. Like, honey. I'm literally just applying bronzer, applying blush, applying highlighter. Like, it's crazy. Literally drawing on my brow. I was even trying to show you guys how I fill in my brows, like small, but it just was not working. The time was not there. This is definitely less than 20 minutes, 100%. I literally slap on a young concealer, put too much concealer under one brow. I was just so livid. Like, these are old techniques I would never do now if I had the time. Like, I'm not doing this. I'm not slapping on concealer like that. Like, what the hell? Now this is the time to deduce what you need, what you don't need. You need a blush? Do you need a highlighter? Just pick and choose. Like, start slapping things on. If it's too much, blend it out of your powder brush and be gone. Like, it's to get the color. It's not for perfection, really. Put a young highlighter. Look at my fake smile. Put a young highlighter on the face. Like, this is not the time to play at all. Mascara, so you multitask. So you literally have to put on the glue on the eyelashes. Whilst the glue is drying, you put on your lip liner, you put on your mascara, then you apply the lash. Do a young lip liner using a young lip gloss. You have to use a lip gloss that has pigment, otherwise you're going to flop your own self. I'm trying to see if I look cute. I know I damn well don't look cute for them. My edge is all out. My forehead is not blended. Why are you setting? That makeup is not blended. Ah, scary. Scary. Put on the lash with the hand. That's the fastest way. Let's not lie. That is the fastest way. And you pick a lash that you know works. This is, whenever you're in a rush, don't try new things. Pick something that you know. Pick products that you know work together. Use glue that you know works and dries down fast. Use a lash that you know is already cut to your size or doesn't need to be cut and goes on easy, doesn't have a thick, strong band. It's just easy. You have to think wisely when you're in a rush. So I'm going to skip this part because this is where now it's going to get dressed. So yeah. So now I sat back down. I am now going to start taking out the pins in my hair. I've dressed up, I've put on my outfit. You have to also think what you're going to wear as you're putting on, as you're like doing your makeup in those same 20 minutes, because I never know. I'm always just like, I don't know what I'm gonna wear. I don't know what I'm gonna wear. I just decide, choose whatever at that time. A lot of people tend to choose their outfits before they get dressed, but that's just, it doesn't work for me, babe. I think here I'm now trying to like book my cab. So I'm literally taking out my curls. My curls were done literally 10 to 20 minutes before I started recording this video, so they haven't set that much. The curls are definitely still there, still bouncy, still flowing, which we love. And I literally just taking them down any which way. I didn't spray my hair, but the wind really, I don't know, it just stayed this time. I'm happy about it. I'm grateful. Honestly, because if anything, if my hair makeup was to look trash, at least my hair and outfit will be cute, right? But yeah, literally my curls are done. Yeah, literally I am done with the fit, with the makeup, with the hair in about 15 minutes. And that's just that. I did it. I actually did it, and I got dressed in the same time. Look, you lot, yeah? What do you know about me? Cause let me even add in my earrings in my bag. Basically, I'm actually going out today, so I'm actually low-key in a bit of a rush. Thank you so much for watching this video. Sorry, I'm actually just checking myself out to make sure I look good. This was just my 20-minute beat. This is what I do when I'm in a rush. This is what I do when I have somewhere to be. I literally get ready, do my makeup in 20 minutes. My hair was already pre-curled, so that doesn't count because that's too much. I'm so sorry, not Superwoman. But yeah, this is what I do. I do a nice light beat. My makeup tends to just be a hit and miss sometimes, but I think today is a hit. She a hit. If you like this video, please like, share, comment with your friends. Please share this with your friends and comment, like, and all that good stuff. And make sure you subscribe. I might do another challenge video like this where I like get ready in 5 minutes. That's pretty impossible, I'm not gonna lie, because we're not bath, we're gonna brush your tongue, like that's just too much. But I guess it's just like the makeup section to see. Look at my top, it's even stained. I'm just, guys, I tried. I really tried. Like, this is actually, oh, let me just even pull down
this part of the wig to make it look a bit more presentable, like I actually look like somebody's wife. Back again with the governor's curls. I think I might need to hashtag this. So if you lot do a governor's curl, let me know, because I want to see your governor's curls, governor's wife's curl, and then, you know, just a young da-da-da with the da-da-da and the da-da-da. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much.